Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about servicing and repairing your AC system. To be honest with you, there's only a couple little things you can do when keeping your AC system in great working order. Number one is we check the vent temperatures when they come in to make sure that the temperature's where it's supposed to be. From that, we know that the system's cooling and operating properly. We check airflow out of the dash. One of the reasons for that is often cabin filters end up plugged. As you can see, this cabin filter is full of stuff. It's been pulled out of the vehicle. This is another one that's got quite a bit of contamination in it. And often most vehicles have little seat filters in them now too, carbon filters, to keep you and your passengers free of contamination inside the vehicle. When these get actually plugged, the airflow is reduced and the AC system does not work efficiently to keep the cabin cool inside the vehicle. We also check belts and belt tensioners for the AC compressors, etc. And then we check pressures as far as that goes. Keeping your AC system in good working order and checked at least yearly will prevent it from breaking down and having a failure when you most need it during the hot temperatures. So make sure and get your vehicle in. Get the AC checked properly by a qualified technician. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.